Managing payroll for remote workers can be one of the biggest challenges for businesses today. If you've been looking for an efficient way to handle payroll across borders, Deel is the software you need. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how Deel makes it simple to pay your remote team, manage compliance, and scale your business with ease. Deel simplifies the complexities of remote payroll, especially if you're working with employees or contractors from different countries. Whether you're a startup, growing company, or enterprise, Deel handles all the heavy lifting so you can focus on growing your business. They handle tax compliance, deductions, and even automate payments to make everything seamless for both you and your team. Getting started with Deel is super simple. Once you sign up, you can create contracts for your remote workers, whether they're based in the US, Europe, or anywhere else in the world. Deel takes care of local employment laws and ensures that all the paperwork and contracts are legally compliant, so you don't have to worry about navigating complex tax systems in foreign countries. When it comes to payroll, Deel automates the entire process. You can add your team members, set their salary or hourly rate, and Deel will take care of the rest. The platform automatically calculates taxes, manages deductions, and processes payments for you. Deel also supports multiple currencies, so you can pay your team in their local currency, which is a big time saver if you're working globally. Another feature I love about Deel is its flexibility. You can pay your remote team on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis, depending on your business needs. Deel integrates with most accounting software, so your finance team can work with the tools they're already comfortable with. For contractors, Deel takes things a step further. You can issue invoices through the platform and track payments automatically. Deel also ensures that your contractor agreements are legally sound, giving you peace of mind when working with freelance talent globally. One of the best things about Deel is its focus on ease of use. The dashboard is clean, intuitive, and provides you with everything you need at a glance. Whether it's generating reports for taxes or simply reviewing past payments, you can do it all in a few clicks. The biggest advantage of Deel, though, is its ability to scale with your business. As you expand your team globally, Deel can grow with you. No matter how many countries you're operating in or how many remote workers you're managing, Deel ensures that your payroll system runs smoothly, helping you avoid costly errors or compliance issues. Now, before we wrap up, let me tell you something exciting. If you're looking to try Deel out, you can get started completely for free with an exclusive offer we've partnered with Deel to bring you. Just follow the link in the description below to access your extended free trial. This trial gives you the opportunity to explore all the features and see just how easy it is to manage payroll for remote workers with Deel. So, if you're ready to streamline your payroll process, increase efficiency, and ensure compliance when managing remote teams, Deel is the solution you've been looking for. And remember, you can access this software for free through the link below with our exclusive offer. Don't miss out. Check it out today and see the difference Deel can make for your business.